Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger, servant and Prophet Mahmud, and upon his family members and companions and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, be honest with your God. Be honest with your Lord or with your Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, it is our first and foremost obligatory duty to be honest with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to get sincerity in your prayers, in your all good deeds. I'm going to ask you something. Do you believe that really Allah is observing you and you are under the control of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He is all the time following you and observing you? Do you believe that within your heart? No. Most of us, we just believe with our tonality. Yes, there is God and He is observing us, and He can watch us, He can observe us, and He can control us. Just we believe that with our tonality. It is such kind of commentary. But if you believe that with your heart, in fact, if you believe there is God, there is Creator, there is Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and He is all the time observing us. He is controlling us, and He can punish us, and He can reward us also. If you think that, and if you believe in such a way, then you can't do any wrong deed. Even you can't think about any sin or wrong action. So we should check out our belief level. We should check out our belief system. Then we can figure out how do we believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So my dear brothers and sisters, be honest with yourself, be honest with your belief, be honest at last, be honest with your Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you have to get sincerity in your belief system, in your or performing your obligatory duties and all good deeds. Thank you very much.